My first time.
My first time, you know. Man, this job will make you thirsty. Whew. I guess picking the hottest day of the year so far is not the best day to start blacksmithing. Note to self, find some better, I think these will work okay for a knife blade, but for holding on to a railroad spike, it's not very good. Second note to self, build new forge. Apparently my forge has melted from the inside. I guess those cans can only take so much heat. This is like the 4th or 5th time I've used it for different stuff. It was really only meant for one time. Well, it wasn't meant for anything. I just kind of came up with it a couple projects ago. Anyway, I guess that's going to be my next build. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. Oh, I'll show you what I got done. It's still pretty hot. You can kind of see where I'm going with it. Anyway, I want to make it a little bit thinner, and then I guess I'll take it to the belt sander and finish it up. No twists in that one, since that's my very first one. But it's fun playing with it. I'm really enjoying my anvil. I put a big magnet on it like I heard other people do, and I wrapped that chain around it. It took all that ping bell sound out of it. And I guess I got a couple little nicks right there, but I can't feel them. It's funny, man, this thing's hot. It's really warm down here. Anyway, hey man, can't beat it for free. Anyway, I reckon we'll see you next time. See ya.